Hey people, Gary here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using my lead gen secrets and ChatGPT. Right guys, so the reason why we promote the $25 business because it's 80% recurring income. That's right, you get 80% of every sale, and they're monthly products. So if you're interested in following along on that, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell. Let's get started. Alright, so first and foremost, we're going to look at our results. I did not get a sale yesterday, looks like. I'm going to refresh the page to show you real results and make sure that's true. Boom. Okay, it does look like I did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine, not a big deal. So the first thing we want to do for you guys, if y'all are interested in doing this is absolutely, by the way, this is the easiest way to make money online, period, guys. It'll make you a couple extra dollars. All right, so the first thing you want to do is get your link. Now this is the link that I personally use and works for me. You can try any of these links. This is the one I use. Only reason I like promoting this link is because it promotes 3 products. All right guys, so that's the one I use. So let's get to your link first. Now first, you go to the description page of my video here. It should say incomespeech.com there, or you can just type it in, whatever you want to do. That's my link, and it'll take you to this page here. And basically what this page here is the sales letter of the $25 business. It tells you how much money you can make and stuff. Say 20 and 100 monthly commissions for each customer. That means you can make 120 every month from each customer they buy all the products. And they also give to charity, as you can see right here. Pretty cool, I think. And what is the $25 business? It's essentially a funnel builder, guys. It's a funnel builder without any limitations, so it's a pretty good product for $25. Funnel builder, no real limitations on it. You're not really gonna find that. It's, you know what I mean? It's a good product as well. So go ahead and click on like, yes, I want access when you want to try this out, right? Just click on that. It's gonna take you to this page here where you put in all your information to get the product here. Just put in all your information, boom, 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 like that, right? And you just hit complete order, get instant access, right? But here's the thing. One more thing I want to speak on. That is HBA Premium. That's what this is, guys. And you can get it for 14 days for free when you use one of my links, guys. You get it 14 days for free when using one of my links. And basically it's training on getting sales and stuff. We're not using any of those methods, by the way. We're using a method I found that works for me, and it's just so easy that you might as well do it, you know. And it just talks about all kinds of ads they work on, and all the ads that need to be constantly updated based on how social media changes and the ad rules added or whatever it may be, right? So yeah, and also you get an AI content creation machine, all right, which is really cool, and it can help you automate a lot of this stuff. So, but here's the coolest part about having HBA Premium for free for 2 weeks, guys. You also can get a sale with HBA Premium, and you keep that $100. You keep that $100 even though you don't technically own the product, which is really cool. All right. So anyway, you just complete order, get instant access, blah blah blah. Now, put in all your information. You sign up for a website before, you know, name and all that. Anyway, you'll eventually get your links. And once you do that, you need somewhere to promote it. Now that's when the second link in my description comes from, and it takes you to my lead gen secrets. Now, what is my lead gen secrets? My lead gen secrets, you get 100 leads every day that you can mail every day. All right, mail once a day. And the cool thing about it is that these guys are interested in making money online, but they are not hot leads. These are very cold leads, so you got to kind of mail them quite a bit. And one thing I have noticed is that some accounts work best than others. I'm using my worst account, so I'm using the worst case scenario here with the money I'm making, guys. So, and chances of you having, I got 10 accounts on this. The chance of you having a worse account than this one is so high. I mean, low. So low, my bad. But anyway, you just come in. Once you make your account, you go to the mailing system. You go to 100 leads, blah, blah, blah. And you pick whatever it is. You can pick a lead, email if you want to. And these are all emails I have used by using ChatGPT. If you watch the series from the beginning, I've been making all of these emails here using ChatGPT. And we just gonna refresh once we got a ton of emails at this point, so we're just gonna refresh from making money first. This is the one I personally wrote myself, and this is the email that I used to make all the other emails for ChatGPT. I just copied that and put it in the ChatGPT and told it to make some emails similar. That's how I got the other emails. So if you want to copy this email, you can. I'll show you the whole email real quick. All right. You just pause the video and copy it. Push to copy it. Now, make sure your link is in there. So one thing you want to do is hit perfect timing to make sure what this does is sends the email around time people check their emails. You also want to preview your email here and make sure your link works, guys. I know mine works because I don't sent this before. When you send an email, that's all there is to it, guys. Very simple, very easy, very quick. So I just showed you guys that to show you that this is the simplest and easiest way to make money online. Get a couple extra dollars, some gas money, some food money, whatever it may be. The highest I got it to when I was really spamming this was about $1,000. I got to about $500 to $1,000 a month. I don't know if y'all remember them. That was around December, November, January, up in that area. That's when I was really kind of succeeding with this method. And I think you guys can get to that point as well. Because one thing about it is people stay in the system and you keep getting their money. See, my issue and why I dropped off so hard is because I just stopped promoting the product. I stopped promoting it. I stopped doing it. Doing all of this. And I shouldn't have did that. I just got a lot busier, and once you stop for like a day, it's easier to stop for 2 days. It's easier to stop for 3 days. Next thing you know, a week go by, 2 weeks, a month. You see what I'm saying? That's why you got to be consistent. This is the most important part about this product. This is the most important product way to make money online, guys. Consistency. Consistency is the key. Don't worry about how good your stuff is. Just do it every day. All right? And that way you'll make money. That's how you make money. Don't worry about if you're making something good. Just do something every day. Once you do something every day, the money will start coming in. I'm telling you. All right, guys. So anyway, like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell. If you want to see more, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.